Hi friends, I am Dr. Swapna Chekuri from Hyderabad Women and Fertility Center. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about mango fruit in pregnancy, because nowadays it's a season for mango fruit. It's a summer season, and we are getting lot of mango fruits and all different varieties of fruits we are seeing in the market. So basically we need to understand what are the advantages with the mango fruit. So basically in mango we have abundant amounts of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, potassium levels, and it's a rich source of fiber as well. So with all this, and as we all know, vitamin A is very much important for babies' retinal development, for eyesight, and even for the cell repair. And vitamin C, it helps for the bone growth as well as it boosts up our immunity. And vitamin D is very much important for both mother and the baby. So in the baby it helps for the bone growth, and whereas in the mothers it supports the bone strength. And potassium levels are also rich sources in mango fruit. At the same time, it's a rich source of fiber. So in turn, in pregnancy it relieves constipation because of its high fiber thing. And the most important is in mangoes there are abundant amounts of bioflavonoids, which is again a good source of antioxidant. So as we all know, antioxidants, it relieves stress, and if at all if any cell damage is there, it repairs on its own with the help of these antioxidants. So these bioflavonoids are also very much abundant in this mango fruit. So basically many of them do ask, like, how can we eat, how much to eat, when to eat, when not to eat. So let us know about these things. So as such, mango is a high calorie fruit, so it's better to eat either in the mornings or in the afternoons, and better to avoid in the night time. Second thing is it should be taken as such, as a fruit form only. Along with that, no need to add high calories, like some people do add some sugars, some people add some honey, and then some people add this butter, and some people will add ice cream with the mango. So better to avoid all these high calorie food items along with mango fruit. So it's preferable to eat mango fruit as such without adding these extra calories. Only thing is we should keep our calories balanced with this diet, and don't overeat this fruit because it's a seasonal fruit. So better to take in a limited amount. And all pregnant ladies can take, except a few ladies where they are already obese, or in case of impaired glucose tolerance and already sugars are on a higher side, or if they are diabetic in pregnancy, or if they are already pre-diabetic state. So these are the candidates who are better to avoid mango fruit. If at all if they want to take, let them take in a limited amount, not as such like you should not take in large amounts. And most important is, like previously mangoes, they used to ripe with calcium carbide, as we all know, but according to FDA in 2016 it has been banned. Carbide has been banned for usage in mango ripening. So nowadays they are doing ripening with ethylene oxide gas, so that is quite safe. And it's always preferable to avoid carbide ripened mangoes, but in markets we don't know whether they are ripening with carbide or with ethylene gas. So best thing is, like once we get from the market, better to soak it in salt water or vinegar water, and for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash, and we can use it. So friends, in this video we have learnt about, we knew about all advantages of mango fruit, and when to eat, how much to eat, all these things got cleared in this video. So friends, if you like this video, please like our video and subscribe to my channel, and you can share with your friends and family members and whoever are in needy. Thank you.